Global challenges always require collaboration across countries. However, intercultural collaboration sometimes doesn't work effectively due to differences in cultural backgrounds, business customs, or wrong assumptions. In this video, you will get to know what are the typical issues in global project management and how NTT DATA resolve them. Let's take a look at an example. Tom, who is a project manager in country B, has been working on operating the IT systems for a client in country A since several years. Today, Tom is called by Kathy, who is responsible for the corporate IT system in her organization.
We need to add a new feature to this business process.
Certainly.
The next day, Tom calls Jason, who is a team leader in country C.
Client ordered a new feature. Please implement it.
Sure, we'll do that.
$3,500 should be enough.
Jason talks with Olivia, who is a team member in country D, on this request.
This feature may require additional server capacity because the feature produces a large amount of transaction data, which we must keep its backup data at least 1 year to comply the regulation in country where client runs their business. So we may need to extend the storage capacity. The impact analysis of server needs lots of efforts and costs because the servers disperse among multiple countries depending on where client runs their business. Do you want me to investigate it?
Oh, I will talk with Tom.
Okay. If there is a change or an additional information on this request, please let me know.
It is Friday evening in country B because of our big time difference. It would be okay to talk with him next week.
The next week, Tom talks with Jason on the request.
When do you have a meeting with client on the request?
She said she was busy to complete her current tasks by her Christmas vacation from the next week.
Got it. By the way, our holidays are in the next month. I would like to complete this request by then.
A month later, the implementation has done. Jason brings the invoice to Tom.
Here's the invoice for the new feature implementation.
$18,000. This amount is 5 times higher than I estimated.
But we have upgraded servers in various locations.
What should I do? This is going to raise overall costs and cause client dissatisfaction.
Tom reports the cost overrun to Kathy.
The implementation of the new feature you requested has been completed, but the costs have significantly exceeded the budget.
Budget overrun? I did not assume such huge cost for just one feature. Why didn't you report this in advance?
What went wrong? The high-level analysis of new feature has been done. However, the detailed investigation relating to its cost was not done before its implementation. Furthermore, stakeholders are not on the same page because of the lack of communication. Then, what should be done? A project manager describes and justifies the request to handle it as a change request. This is followed by clearance. The project manager works with a team to review if it is clear enough. If there is something missing, the project manager must ask the client about it. After that, the project manager can officially start to develop the new plan. The project manager works with the team leader and members to analyze its impact on effort, cost, and schedule, as well as the feature itself. Then, the project manager reports all impacts to the client to get approval. If the client approves, the project team implements the feature. However, there is another important thing for the project manager: updating the baseline so that other tasks indirectly impacted by this request will be managed properly. There are 2 success factors to ensure these steps. Manage change request comprehensively. Ensure roles and responsibilities across countries. Let's see how NTT DATA can resolve these problems. NTT DATA has an integrated methodology called NTT DATA Core Methodology, which enables all worldwide group companies of NTT DATA to carry out the projects with the same concepts and terminologies without any inconsistencies. NTT DATA has accumulated over 30 years of experience supporting projects where we need to work and act as one NTT DATA across countries to bring the best results for our clients. Would you like to explore more about success stories of NTT DATA? Please visit our website for more information.